Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll create this amazing banner of traveling. Here, I want to use these colors in this project. For the background, bring a solid color and put the solid color under the colors, then change the color of the solid. After that, lock both of them. I want to rename them. Then select the rectangle tool and drag a shape. Fit it with the background and make the corners rounded. Put the shape below the colors, then change its color to gradient. After that, change the gradient color. Place embedded images that you want. For this, I want to use this and fit the image with the background. Change it to Create Clipping Mask, and I want to rename it. Pressing and holding the Alt key. Make a copy from the gradient and put it on top of the image and make them a group and name it BG. Again, select the rectangle tool and drag the shape. Make corners rounded. Give color and stroke to it. By pressing, holding, and dragging the Alt key, make a copy from the shape. Align them to the center and make them group by pressing Ctrl+G. From the File menu, place embedded image that you want. I want to use these images and
dancing soft and slow. Every choice and every shade, a language only art has made. This is more than lines and space. It's expression, purpose, rhythm, grace.
put down them into the group layer. Name the group and create clipping masks for them one by one.
Open the files and write in the watermarks where we began. Locked in the corner, quiet but loud. Let's clean it up, make your design proud. Erase the truth in the scene, make it sharp, fresh and clean. With just a brush or coin
Select the text tool and write your slogan here.
just like you planned. Use the patch, heal the flow, blend it softly, nice and slow. No more text that's in the way. Now your art has room to stay, whether it's stock or something old. Photoshop tools are bright and bold. Restore the feel, repair the space. One clean swipe and gone, no trace. Erase the trace, let your work shine. Every pixel back in line. Design with freedom,
I will put the
frame
font
with
link in the
grace.
description below.
It's your creation,
Give
your
space
own
among the
space.
letters. Change the color
Erase the trace, let your work shine.
and
Every
resize
pixel
it.
back in line. Design with freedom, frame with grace. It's your creation, your own space.
Again, select the text tool and write the description here.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
So I want to resize it.
Erase the trace, let your work Design with freedom, frame with grace. It's your creation, your own space.
At the top, write UR title and make it bold.
Erase the trace, let your work shine. Every pixel back in line.
I want to write travel to these places.
Shapes and lines I start to draw. A blank white screen, no fear, no flaw. Tools in hand, I let it flow. From simple strokes, new visions grow. On creative designs, we bring dreams to the screen. With colors and motion, sharp, bold, and clean.
Change their
Every cut
colors
tells
to
a
what do
story,
you
every shape
want.
speaks a name. We design from the heart, no two words the same. Tips and tricks I love to share. For every artist, everywhere. From logos bright to posters wide, we build with passion, framed by guide. It's not just art, it's how we speak.
After that, I want to place an arrow.
Join the journey, learn and grow. With every click, let your
Right-click
style
and
show.
rasterize and remove the white background of it. Then right-click again and convert it into a smart object. From the Edit menu, click on the puppet warp and make it like a curve.
Dreams to the screen, from start to finish is more than a name. Design with meaning, design with pride. Let's shape the world side by side. Tips and tricks to this likes. We bring dreams to the screen with color screen. With colors and motion, sharp, bold, and clean. Every curve tells a story.
Double-click on it
Every
and
cut
choose
tells a
Color Overlay.
story. Every shade speaks a name. We design
Change its
from
color
the
to
heart.
white and
No
again,
two words the
right-click
same.
and convert it into a smart object, then resize it.
For every artist, everywhere. From logos bright to posters wide. We build with passion, framed by guide. It's not just art, it's how we speak. With every
By
each
Ctrl
pixel
plus
speaks,
J,
join the journey,
make a copy and
learn
press
grow.
Ctrl
With
plus T.
every click, let your
Click on
style
Flip
show.
Horizontal.
Tips and tricks I love to share. And love to share. Tips and tricks I love to share. We build with passion, framed by guide.
Thanks for watching my videos.
It's not just art.
Goodbye. See you next time.